Morale seems to be a little bit low right now in the Cronos ecosystem for crypto.com holders. It's a reflection of some of the price action that's happening, but this price action is a reflection of what else is going on in this crypto market right now. I want to talk about what's going on with crypto.com, a new promotion they have going on, the progress for this company. I want to talk about its main competitor, Binance, the possibility of that $5 Crow coin that I've talked about personally so much on this channel, where my mindset is in that frame of mind, whether we're going to get to that price level or not. And then also we got to look at the Cronos mania, meme mania that's been happening and what's been going on with Cronos Labs. I've got some thoughts. I want to share them with you guys. Let's get into it, guys. Stick around to the end. You're going to want to watch this one all the way through. Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Crypto Kip. Today, we're going to talk about the Crow coin, CRO, crypto.com, and Cronos. Smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, guys, and let's hop right in. So today, Bitcoin is down. The Bitcoin dominance, however, is up, which means that altcoins are suffering. Just look at the price action. Over the last 7 days, a lot of everybody's favorite tokens are down 33, 31%. The Fear and Greed Index right now is also rather low, right now in the neutral territory, in the yellow. We've talked about the yellow a lot. That typically signals buying opportunities. For the CRO token, it's looking tough at rank number 40, $2.65 billion market cap, which is a ton of money, but you look at its price action, the percentage gain that we've had versus some of the other tokens, and we're at 10 cents. We were at 19 cents at one point. What happened? What's going on? When is this thing going to go to $1? Can it go to $5? Let's talk a little bit more about it, guys. First off, crypto.com, excuse me, I swallowed a bug earlier. That's the truth. I just got home. I swallowed a bug on my way in the door. There you go. We don't edit our content, so that's in this for you guys today. They're offering a card welcome pack. So one of the products that they like to talk about a lot is their crypto.com Visa cards. I myself have a crypto.com Visa card, and I love it. Matter of fact, I had my golf league tonight. Every Thursday night, I have a golf league, played 9 holes of golf. And how did I pay for that golf round? I paid for it with my crypto.com Visa card with some of the profits that I made recently in the Cronos meme coin mania, which was a very beautiful thing. I'm going to talk more about the Cronos meme coin mania, how I've made some profits, also how I've taken some losses as well. We'll talk a little bit more about this. But crypto.com is growing their user base. They continue to expand. They have already broken, I believe, above 80 million, close to 100 million users at this point. And they are trying to stay competitive with some of the main competition out there. One of them being Binance. Binance just celebrated 200 million users. Crypto.com is very competitive with Binance in many ways. If you look at the Binance token, however, it is much, much higher in rank, currently at a price of $600 at an $88 billion market cap. I do believe that they're still very strong in terms of competition, in terms of offering their exchange to places across the world, in terms of getting their own marketing out there, right? Their own licenses. They just got a new license milestone. They've got these card packs, partnering with Samsung, partnering with Apple to incentivize people to, use the exchange, get new users, sign up. Well, is this working? Why isn't the price action working? You guys might all want to know. Well, the truth is, guys, Bitcoin has been consolidating and bringing pain to the altcoin market for a while now. We've been looking for that altcoin explosion, and it just hasn't come yet. Granted, some tokens like Solana and others have had big moves up from the bottom. Even Crow was up, 3-4x from the bottom at one point. Right now, it's up a little over 2x, which is still pretty decent considering. And you got to remember, guys, we are not, in that full-fledged bull market phase of this crypto market yet. We are still in that sideways chop zone, and there's a lot of volatility. Volatility, which is very good for trading. By the way, quickly, I want to let you guys know we do have a new exchange that we're talking about, Blowfin. We have a $30 sign-up bonus to the first 200 people until June 17th to sign up for this. We got about 40 people that signed up, and I want to do a correction here. I was under the impression, made a mistake, that the first 200 people that signed up didn't have to deposit any money. There was no deposit requirements. I thought it was just a sign up. You get free $30. Unfortunately, I found out today we were wrong. That is on us, not on Blowfin. There is a deposit that you need to do. I think it's maybe $100, maybe a little bit under that, which is actually a very small amount of money for a free $30. So I just wanted to clarify that mistake on our end, but still, it is an up-and-coming exchange. We're seeing other popular people, like if you know CryptoFace, other famous YouTube leverage traders are starting to talk more about this. It's getting a lot of recognition. It's got an app. It's very easy to use. I actually like the exchange a lot so far in my experience using it. But this is a very good bonus. Anyway, there is a deposit requirement, very small, so I just want to make you aware of that. Check that out, guys, in the link in the description of all of our videos down below. Check that out. But again, as Bitcoin is in the sideways chop, guys, these are good trading opportunities, but there's a lot of pain. You could be shorting Bitcoin. You could be longing Bitcoin. I personally don't like to short Bitcoin as we're approaching a bull market. That's just not my strategy. And then you can trade around with some altcoins as well, obviously. Now, Crocoin is struggling versus Bitcoin, but that is just a symptom, my friends, of Bitcoin taking dominance right now. Now, in terms of Crocoin versus Binance, let's talk a little bit more about this. If Crypto.com's Crocoin was able to just achieve the current market cap of Binance, you would see Crocoin go to $3.45. Now, in the parabolic phase of this bull market, my friends, when we see the total market cap surpass $3 trillion, I do very much expect this to happen. In fact, I wouldn't be surprised to see CRO surpass Binance Coin's previous all-time high, and it could achieve that $4.13 price level. Matter of fact, we might see $5. My prediction has been anywhere from $2 to $5. It's impossible to predict the future, guys. Nothing we say on this channel is financial advice. However, we are speculating just like the rest of you guys, but we're doing it with a lot of research behind it. Own personal research, which I recommend you all do your own research. Do not forget that the Binance chain has another bull market that has already had existing chain during. People have gotten to use it during the parabolic leg when people were excited about crypto. Cronos chain has not experienced that moment yet. However, there was a very exciting moment for the Cronos chain. Crow with Knife produced a tremendous amount of gains for people. Mary also produced a tremendous amount of gains for people. And I'll tell you, the Cronos meme coin mania has cooled off recently. Full disclosure, I made quite a bit of money on Crow with Knife. I made quite a bit of money on some of the other tokens. I've taken profit out of those tokens. And there's some tokens, my friends, that I have experienced losses on. I've got some push tokens. I'm experiencing losses on that right now, still holding. I experienced quite a bit of losses, and I cut my losses on the mouse and the pasta token, which just if you're experiencing losses, you got to use your own judgment. Panic selling is not something I recommend to anybody. Wealth preservation is another story, right? So you want to protect yourself from downside. Just because I took profit on something doesn't mean that it's over, doesn't mean it's the end. I actually still really like this mouse and the pasta meme. Just kind of telling you guys what my updates are. I still hold the Mary token. I'm quite down on the Mary token. Overall, I have net gone positive on my meme coin experience with Cronos, and this meme coin mania was very, very good for Cronos in my opinion. However, there's been some fear, there's been some FUD, there's been some problems. Some people bought the top. I bought the top on some of these tokens as well. I'm not impervious to it, my friends. Nobody's perfect, right? But I will give the Cronos chain some credit. Though they might not be listing the tokens that some of the community members want, they are still talking about a lot of these memes. They're still talking about the Corgi Studio NFT marketplace. They're still talking about their ecosystem, supporting this new Cronos ZK EVM upgrade that's coming, this new chain, this new addition to Cronos, right? They've got more burns coming. They've got a lot of things that they're working on. But the fact of the matter is this, my friends. Binance and Crow have a lot in common. Very successful exchanges, very big global presence. The difference is Cronos hasn't experienced that bull market yet. We had a taste of it with this, and I don't think that it's over for these memes, guys. Some of them won't survive. Some of them will. Some of them will do tremendously. Could Mouse and the Pasta go way back up? Honestly, yeah, it could. I don't know. I don't know, guys. I'm not endorsing any of these tokens. I'm not an ambassador for any of these tokens. I never have been. I've always been a speculator just like you guys. But the truth is I know that morale is down right now. I want to remind you guys that I personally believe that this kind of price action for Crow is achievable. Now, I'm not telling you guys that Cronos chain and crypto.com is going to get bigger than Binance. That could happen, but I'm just telling you that in a parabolic bull market, when you see the overall market cap for crypto go up, the total market cap surpassed $3 trillion. We had to $6 trillion. Maybe we go to a $10 trillion market cap for crypto overall. Binance coin will likely go up. I'm just saying that I believe that it is possible for Cronos to achieve the current market cap of Binance. Can it flip Binance? That's something that until we have more reason to believe that that's going to happen, I think that's a pretty bold prediction to come out with at any point in time. I do, however, believe that it is possible for CRO to achieve the current market cap levels for Binance, and nothing about that has changed. The fact of the matter is this, my friends, the overall crypto market's experiencing pain. We are in the neutral phase of the fear and greed index, which means there's buying opportunities. Remind yourself that a lot of altcoins are down right now. And what are we waiting for? We are waiting for this overall market cap to come up, and it's not going to happen until Bitcoin gets out of this sideways range. Again, this is going to present buying opportunities. This is going to present trading opportunities. If you want to check out Blowfin, there is a small deposit requirement into the futures account to get a free $30. If the first 200 people that sign up, I think we got 40 people signed up so far. To 40 of you guys, I'm sorry. I thought there was just a requirement to sign up, no deposit requirements. There is a small deposit requirement. Tomorrow, I'll tell you guys the specifics of what that is. I've got to talk with the exchange, make sure we're giving you guys the appropriate information. But this is a nice tool, and if you want to sign up, you can check it out in the link of the description down below. Femex is a great tool as well. A little bit of a bigger requirement for the sign-up bonus for that, but also another popular leverage trading platform. This Blowfin one is more up and coming. You can do spot trades. You can do future trades. So in the meantime, Cronos coin struggling a little bit, especially versus the dollar. Right now, down to 10 cents versus Bitcoin, looking tough, but this gives me hope that there could be a bounce. Nothing has changed about my $2 to $5 CRO prediction. You have to adjust your strategy as you go along, my friends. You have to realize that a meme coin mania, short-lived for a moment, cool-off period, could come back, might not come back, right? I do expect it to come back. I expect the Cronos chain to have a bright future, but we need time. We need patience. That's all I have for you guys in this update. Again, nothing here is financial advice, my friends. It's a tough time. Morale's down. I feel it in the air, but I want to give you guys that update today. That's all I got in this one. I'm Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and as always, guys, don't forget to DCA, HODL, and of course, I will see you in the next one. Thanks, everybody. Have a great night. More videos for you later tonight if you want to check them out. 2 videos right here. Peace, y'all. See you next time.